beauties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have another way to style fluffy kinky. I love this hair because it's so light, very easy to style, and you can style this hair in so many ways. Okay, so if you're my only subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I always appreciate you guys for the support. But if you're new in this channel, welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, feel free to hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your loved one. So I start to braid back section, and then I make the first line, then I use gel. You may use any kind of gel that works for you. It's not necessary to use this shiny gem. A lot of gel in markets nowadays. So I apply gel and then I redo the line again to get clean and neat line. So after I finish make line, I normally divide section into two so that I can make two section everywhere and I can get even. So after this, I also divide one side into two. I use this fluffy kinky hair. This is long. You may decide long, or you may decide to use extra long if you want your hair to be more long. The color is 2/30, and this is how the hair looks like. So after I open the pack, this is how they are inside. It has 2 bundles, and each bundle contains 10 to 12 pieces. So I pick any side I feel like this is not beautiful, then I cut. Then after I cut, I make sure I pull this hair, and I just want to stretch this hair so that it will be easy for me to use this hair to wrap. So I just pull and then I roll, and I roll opposite direction. I make sure I pull till end. Here I didn't cut anything. I just make sure I stretch this piece, I mean the whole piece. And then after I finish, I divided this piece into two. If you use the whole piece, they'll be like too big. So I divide into two, and then I stretch more till the piece become like this way. So I use but another piece, the long one. If your hair is short, you may decide to put this piece at the middle only and then start wrap. But if your hair is long, a little bit long, not too long of course, a little bit long, and you don't want to put this lock like very long, you may decide to put this fluffy kink hair at the middle and then fold your hair into two and then start wrap. You'll find the distance you wrap is fewer. I mean, distance you wrap is short. So then I start wrap, and when I wrap, I start from the thin or the tiny side of that hair I stretch. And of course, before I finish this hair, I make sure I secure one time, then I continue wrap till I finish the hair. And then I put this section on my palm, then I roll to make sure all things secured well. Again, I cut the hair. Here you have to cut the hair depending on how long you want to make this lock at the beginning. If you want to make too short, of course just cut small piece, or if you don't want to cut, the best way is at least you have one extra pack of this fluffy kink hair so that you'll get very long length. You just use that another pack to wrap. You just stretch the hair and then start wrapping. But if you just want regular size, no need, just use the same 2 pack. You can cut a little bit on top and then stretch. You can get something like this. So one more time, after I stretch, I put the hair. You may decide either on top of your natural hair or middle of your natural hair, depending on which way it's so easy for you to wrap. And again, don't forget, when you're wrapping, wrap slowly. Don't pull too much because you don't want to cause any tension on your scalp. So just wrap slowly and keep a little space on your natural hair before you start wrapping, and then continue wrap. When I fold my natural hair, I make sure at the middle of my natural hair I put my long finger, so that when I wrap, I will know that I wrap all the hair. Then after I wrap a couple times, I remove the hair which I used to wrap on my middle finger. I hope when you watch more, you'll understand more than I explain. So again, before I finish this hair, to avoid these locks side to unravel, the best way is make sure you secure at least one time and then continue wrap till you finish the hair. And not only I show how to braid this hair, I also show how to take this hair down. Not only this hair, you can take all locks style. You can use this method to take them down, and it's so easy without break your hair, and you will spend very few time if you use this method to take this hair down or to take any other locks down. So end of this video, I also show that, so kindly keep watching this video till end to know easy way on how to take this hair down. This hair you can reuse couple times. I love this hair because not only you can do this style, you can also use this hair to do locks. If maybe you wear this hair for a long time and you feel like the twisty, like they almost disappear, you can stretch this hair, and you can, of course, you can wash, and after wash just let them dry natural. Then you can stretch and you can use this hair to make like soft locks. You may use to make bubble braids. You may use this hair in so many ways, honey. So after you use this hair, it doesn't matter how long you use, just make sure you wash. Just put a little bit shampoo and a little leave-in conditioner. No need to brush too much, just leave in some water and then take them in and out, just simple like this, and then let them dry. And I'm telling you, you'll love this hair because it's so easy to style and very light. I also show different angles on how you can hold your hair and you can braid so that things can be easy. This is how I braid at the middle. I just make sure I put my head down, and then I wrap when my hands, they are up of my head. So guys, here we're almost done, but in this front way I put this fluffy kinky at the back, then I fold my natural hair. This is to avoid the fluffy kinky to be like a big section at the front. So if you put at the back, it's more easy to cover this fluffy kinky, and it's so easy to style in so many ways. So after that, again, I continue wrap till I finish this section. I use wrapping, and then I put the hair on my palm, roll it a couple times, make sure everything is well secured, and then move to the next section. Okay, so guys, here I'm done, and before I go ahead and put my makeup, this other part I take the next day after I do this hair. So when I just wake up and I finish my breakfast, I remember that I didn't show how to take this hair down. So let me show you how to take this hair down before I show you the final result. So this is my hair. Let me pick this front part so that you can see clear. Let me pick this one. This is how it is, guys. So here I'm going to roll opposite direction with the side I use wrapping. Hopefully this makes sense. And when I roll slowly and pull down. Just roll it and pull down slowly. At that time, my other finger holds up of this hair. and then this is how it comes out. And guys, you can reuse this hair again and again, just depending on how you want to use this hair, but trust me, you can reuse this hair again and again. And guys, this is the final results for my today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to share with your loved one. Guys, I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.